Artificial intelligence is evolving rapidly, and DeepSeek AI is leading the way. A breakthrough model from China, DeepSeek R1, is reshaping the AI landscape with its powerful reasoning capabilities and open-source innovation. Released on January 20, 2025, DeepSeek R1 has been called China's AI Sputnik moment. Unlike many AI systems, it is fully open source, allowing developers worldwide to study, modify, and improve it. With the exceptional efficiency and lower development costs, DeepSeek R1 is challenging AI industry leaders and redefining artificial intelligence. At its core, DeepSeek R1 is a transformer-based model with 671 billion parameters, making it one of the most powerful reasoning AIs today. Trained on massive datasets of text, code, and mathematics, it utilizes reinforcement learning for self-improvement. Remarkably, it was developed using only 2,000 less powerful chips, drastically reducing costs. To enhance accessibility, DeepSeek also offers distilled versions trained on 800,000 synthesized data points, providing high performance with lower computational demands. DeepSeek R1 excels in advanced reasoning, chain-of-thought processing, and self-correcting logic. It can generate and debug code, tackle complex math problems, and fluently process multiple languages, including English and Chinese. Unlike traditional AI chatbots, it prioritizes accuracy over explainability, pushing the boundaries of AI-driven decision-making. From scientific research to automation and enterprise solutions, DeepSeek AI is shaping the future of artificial intelligence. The future of AI is here, and DeepSeek is leading the way. What do you think about this breakthrough? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates. See you in the next video.